Yo, morning guys. All right, just got to St. Pete Skate Park. Before we head in there and skate though, just want to give a quick update on my knee. In the beginning, I thought it was, just some soreness. A couple of days into the trip, I'm just thinking this is like some weird, I stepped weird, used a muscle I hadn't used in a while, it'll break in. And it's just kind of progressively gotten worse. And sadly, I'm kind of a knee expert from all my years and years of just constant knee injuries. ACL, PCL, MCL, lateral and medial meniscus, tearing that again, crepitus. I mean, I could just keep naming stuff. I have to literally pull up a list from the doctor. But now I have a better grasp on what the injuries might be, and this kind of feels like an MCL tear. I'm hoping it's just some weird misstep or I don't know, but just the way it's feeling in certain movements. But who knows? Maybe I just went harder the past couple of days and pushed it. Does it feel great? No. Is it going to stop me from skating? No, at least not right now. I got my friend Louie meeting me. I talked about Louie in an old video, 2019. I did this thing called 50 Tricks, 50 States. And I think it was day 19, North Carolina. I met up with Louie. And, Louie was one of the first people that really took me out skating. And he had a huge impact on my skating, the way I view it, the way I do it. I always admired his style and how smooth he did everything. And I think that impacted the way I wanted to skate, Also, just the level that him and his best friend were pushing at the time, that I think reflected in the way I, go after skateboarding too. So, I don't know. I've known him for so many years. We've worked at the same skate shop together, and I hadn't seen him now in, I don't know, maybe since then. So, 5-6 years? So, excited to skate with him. Let's hop in there. Yeah, nice to meet you.
That's sick,
How's
man.
it going?
Pretty good, man.
What's your name?
Colin.
Colin? Chad.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
You're a trooper, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Try to start the day off right. Too funny. Just said this whole thing about how I gotta take it easy on my knee. Literally can't even get past the first trick. So what's the word?
I can't believe you fucking did what you did, though.
What do you mean?
See, I know your mindset ever since from back in the day. So I was like, he's gonna fucking do it. There's no doubt in my fucking mind. But every day I watch those videos, I was like, he's okay. That's all I care about. I just hope he's okay.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for that next video. When I see it, I was like, oh, thank God, he's okay.
That was, for me it was will my knees hold up and will a car hit me? That's basically it.
Yes.
If that happens, it's good.
Because I know that feeling of pushing for so long.
Ready for some flips or what?
Try?
Alright.
Funny? Something funny. I just like flying over this thing, this hitch. Alright. It's just such a good floaty feeling.
I'll follow you. anymore. I'm pushing my luck. I think I've gotten to the point where it's easier to do the trick than it is for my body to hold up.
I think I got it counted.
Oh, yeah.
All
right.
Thank you, man. All these features are like just... What I love about this space is just speed.
Yeah.
Speed, speed, speed. You can fly in this park, and that's what I love about it.
Yeah, it's wide open. Yeah, you kind of.
Old school in there?
Yeah. Wish I could do that. Wow. Okay. No comply now.
Oh man, come on now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was good.
I didn't get the grab, but...
Clean.
Yeah,
Nice.
When your knees and your body is low, and the lower your body is,
Nice, solid session right there. So hard for me to just pump the brakes and just try to have a, chill session. Just can't do it. Like, I don't know. It's like if I'm skating, I gotta be skating. But yeah, I gotta take a little bit of a break right now. Probably gonna skate again. Yeah, gonna grab some lunch, kind of refuel, and get back out there.
He's down. Jello. Oatmeal. Gelatinous. They're like calamari. How much?
Nothing. Take one.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
I'll front you. You got Venmo?
Yo, later. Nice meeting you. Okay, I think that's it for me today. Really fun park to close the day out, though. Right on the water. I could see myself coming here like in the mornings, cup of coffee, a little cooler out, you know. But you come here, kids running all over the place. A little harder to get a flow going, but still really fun park. And yeah, it's a good day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.